So what's up, amazing traders of the world? You guys are welcome to our YouTube channel. So guys, basically this is a short video to tell you guys and show you guys how far I have gone with the 5k challenge that we got earlier January of 2025, right? So guys, as you all know guys, if you are watching, if you're a regular follower of this channel, I told you guys that I was going to be funded this year, and we started the 5,000 challenge by January, which we eventually passed the first place in January, and then we are now February, and this is February 15 that I'm making this video, okay? And then we had a drawdown, okay? As we proceeded, we had a drawdown that was last week on the phase 2 of our challenge, okay? But right now, I told you guys that I was going to bounce back, and I told you guys when I had that drawdown, I showed you guys what was happening, and I also showed you my plan of bouncing back from it. I also told you guys the strategy I was hoping to engage to bounce back from the losses. If you're interested in the video, it's going to be in the description. I'm also going to be attaching it by the end of this video, right? So guys, you want to make sure you watch it to the end. You want to make sure you watch to the end of this video. Moving forward guys, as you can see right now, I had massive drawdown on my account, which was around, I had 2 accounts. Remember, I told you guys I already bought 1 account, but I was given a bonus account, okay? But eventually I lost, almost blown the bonus account right now. The only account I'm having right now is the normal real account, which I actually got from Funded Next, okay? So guys, what I'm intending to do in this video is to show you guys how far I've gone, how I was able to recover from the drawdown, what I did in the chart that helped me recover from the drawdown. So I'm sharing this with you guys so that you guys can also learn from what is happening to me, from the experiences I'm having and sharing here, because I'm also documenting my journey in this channel so that those of you that can learn 1 or 2 from it can take advantage of this information and then apply in your own trading, and probably your trading is going to improve massively also. So guys, I'm going to be taking you guys to my chart right away to show you guys what I actually did wrong, what I actually did right, because the other time I lost, I showed you guys what I did wrong, and now that I'm kind of succeeding, right? I want to show you guys what I did right so that you guys can avoid the things I did wrong and then implement the things that I did right in your own trading too, and also improve your trading also. So guys, I'm currently on break even, which is 5,000, right? So I'm hoping to make 4% of the account so that I can pass this second evaluation phase and then get live funded. So guys, without any further ado, let's just get into the chart. So guys, welcome to the chart. Right now, this is SPX 500. Okay, now this indices, I'm currently trading indices, right? So guys, as you can see, if you watch my previous video when I had series of losses, I already explained to you guys that this market was going to push up. So I was already expecting the push up, but the issue I had was my execution, right? So guys, that's why when you are trading the forex market, it's important that you have a different approach to the market. You not just have a strategy and believe that strategy is a magic that will work for all market conditions. The market condition changes at every given time, guys. So you need to have a particular strategy that suits each market condition, and then you should be able to understand when those market condition kicks in, right? And that is one of the importance of having cycle breakers, as I mentioned in my last videos, right? Now I told you guys I was going to engage my cycle breaker. So when I returned from the cycle breaker, my cycle breaker break, and then I saw the market in a clearer. So guys, the market become clearer to me. So guys, so what did I actually do? When I came here, I discovered that this market was already pushing up, right? So I was looking for my good entry, right? So all I needed to do was to pull out my Fibonacci tool. Okay, now there's a strategy I operate that is called ep5 wave. Right now, this is an amazing strategy that has to do with Fibonacci and some other confirmation that I cannot go into full details in this video. So now what I did was to go to the previous swing low, okay, which is right here, right, and then I take it to the available swing high, right? Remember when I was executing this trade, I executed this trade on Monday, right? That's around, was it on the 10th or 11th or thereabout? It's on Monday, last week Monday, okay? That should be around 10th or 11th. Just some check for me not to be making a mistake. I think the last week Monday, it was around 10th of February 2025. So I had my first execution right here, as you can see, and I also understand that it is possible for this market to pull back. Okay, so according to my setup, my stop loss is supposed to come at the 78.6%. Now, as you can see, I obeyed that law, and I put my stop losses. I'm very close to the 78 because the pips is coming too much. I don't want to have too much. The higher your stop loss, the less you make from the trade. I know that you guys understand that by now. So guys, I left my stop loss at this support level right here, and as you can see what later happened. Okay, so and when I was doing this analysis, or when I was carrying out this trade, all this market move right here has not happened. Right, all this market move you are seeing right here, let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So guys, when I executed this trade, the market you are seeing on the box has not happened. Okay, and I executed this trade on Monday, and then around on Thursday, because I only took just one trade. When I saw the setup, I took it, and the market started kind of ranging. Okay, as you can see right here, the market started ranging, and then on Thursday there was like a CPI, right, which brought this market down, and I started seeing this trend red. Let me go to the lower time frame. So that the market started dropping massively, guys. That was it was a CPI news, and the market dropped, came very close to my stop loss region, but I did not close the market, guys. I saw the red, I saw the drop, I saw the news, but I did not do anything. This is because I just came back from previous losses because I did not stick to my rules. So this time around, I decided to stick to my rules no matter what. Now guys, so you can see the importance of sticking to your rules. This is what will eventually give you an edge over the market. So what happened immediately? The red dropped. A lot of people will have sold and say, okay, this market's about to sell now, and then they just place in their sell, and then the market start buying immediately. Now a lot of you guys will have lost money in this consolidation if you're in this market, but because of I was disciplined enough to stick to my rule, I did not lose any money. Instead, I was able to recover what I've lost. And as you can see right now, so guys, because I already had a buy sentiment, I've already executed my trade, and the trade I've not even gotten close to where I expect my TP to be. I already understand that this market is eventually going to continue buying, right, which the market eventually did. Okay, now this is a product of sticking to rules. So in trading, it's important that you stick to rules. The reason I'm sharing this with you guys, you understand how becoming profitability work in this industry. Okay, it's not by luck, it's not by chance, it's simply by simple dedication, having a working strategy and then sticking to it. By all means, sticking to the rules that govern that strategy, right? So now for this trade, guys, I even went ahead to execute more trade. I added more position around here where the market started pulling back. If you see on the screen right now, I'm going to see I added more position right now. So this trade was able to help me to recover from my previous losses. So I'm currently in break even, and I expect this move. The market has not even gotten to my TP level already, right? As you can see on the screen right now, the TP level is still very much far. The market has not even gotten to the place already. I'm expecting the market to give me nothing less than 156 pips. So I'm still expecting a push up from this market, right? So guys, this was the setup. It's a simple Fibonacci strategy that helped me to execute this trade. Okay, as the market pulled into the 618, and then I executed the trade right there. Okay, when the market started pushing back up. Now is that simple? So guys, you're welcome back from the chat. One of the ways to actually remain considerably profitable is to hold yourself accountable. Okay, hold yourself accountable, right? So I talked about this extensively in the previous video. I'm going to be on description if you want to watch it, right? That's the video that I had those series of losses. I talked about it extensively. I also stick to your rule. So guys, it's very key, it's very important that you stick to your rule. The only reason I'm seeing this trade right now is because I'm sticking to my rules, guys, and that rule is why I'm able to make back the losses, and I'm open to make more profit. I hope that I'm able to pass this account. If I pass the account, I'm coming to come here and with this single trade, guys. It's just one trade I've been holding for the past 5 days. I did not interfere with it, I did not do anything else with it. Okay, and next week we're going to see what plays out. Okay, if it plays out, I'm still going to stick to my rules. I'm going to do everything my rules say I should do in whatever market condition, right? So hopefully the market will give me 150 pips, as I hope it would. As you can see, my take profit on the chart is still very far. It hasn't gotten to my take profit yet. So eventually, if it does, that means I will pass the account. By time before I even get my take profit, I should have passed this phase. Okay, and then I can now go ahead and trade live and see if I can make withdrawals this January or this February or March or whatever it is. The goal is to actually make withdrawal. If I actually make withdrawal, I will invest on profit and get a bigger account. That's my hope. That is what I hope to achieve. And my target, as I told you guys earlier, is 100,000 live funding account. Right? I'm not talking about the 100,000 per account, 100,000 in my own personal live trading account. That's what I hope to achieve before the year ends. And if I will be able to achieve that, I don't know if I can even achieve it, but I'm just going to put in my best and put in everything I've learned so far and see how far I'm going. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please guys subscribe to this YouTube channel, join this amazing community. Where this channel, basically what I do is to share my journey with you guys. I tell you guys what is going on with my trading and also share my knowledge with you guys. I share you guys tips of trading. I also come here many times to analyze the chart, right? So a lot of things that will improve your trading. So if you're a trader, you should also be part of this family. Okay, don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. So guys, without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next one. And then bye for now, and then take care of yourself.